Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you my graffiti supplies. I got some Molotov Chrome, 2 of them, and Outline Black Molotov 2 of them, and a couple of Montana 94, and some Iron Leg here. Got a bunch of them. Yeah, and I got like 7 blacks here in Montana Black, Iron Leg, and Molotov Outline Black. I got some Montana Black in some different colors. So yeah, and there was one more, and there. I don't know how many cans I got, but pretty much. Oh, over to my markers. I got a bombing from Montana, a homemade squeezer kind of thing, a Grog squeezer 25mm, a Posca, some more Poscas, Unipaint, some On the Run flow pen, some liquid shoe wax, yeah, and some pilot markers, the Run paint marker, and poster main, and some Poscas to do my sketches. And I got my black book, and there's one more, and I got one more, but I don't know where it is. Fail. That was that's 2 big black books and 1 small to my sketches. Oh, I got a Corio ink, but that's empty because it's in my squeezer. Yeah, and Corio ink really sucks. This one is green, as you can see, but it turns black even on a white wall. You can see this is all Corio ink. That's really suck. That one, the black is the bombing, the orange is Posca, and the blue is Posca too. But bye bye YouTube.